Hi, I'm Sam Sieben. I've been servicing televisions in people's homes for over 40 years. Customers often describe their uncertainty when seeking someone to come into their home to repair their broken television. My purpose in presenting this video is to help you with some of the confusion when obtaining repair services as well as the repair process. Contrary to a common misconception, finding the closest repair shop might not be the wisest choice. Similarly, checking online reviews might also be problematic because it is easy for anyone to create their own glowing reviews. So how do you choose an electronics repair company, and what should you expect during and after the repair? With the complexity of today's modern technology, quality repair companies affiliate themselves with trade associations for training and peer support. Look for trade affiliations. It's important to check a business's BBB rating and experience. Be wary of a business that does not have a detailed BBB file. Check for unresolved BBB complaints. Our local Better Business Bureau website is www.thebbb.org. Many repair companies rely on the services of marketers we call middlemen for customers' leads. Quite often claims of pre-screening are in actuality the payment of a substantial referral fee which increases a repair company's cost of doing business. Since calls are routed through the referrer's computer, look for an odd phone prefix, a notice that the call is recorded, or an unusual URL in your browser's address bar when you click on an ad. Most sought-after repair companies are booked a few days out. Be cautious of repair companies that can come out immediately. If you're in a hurry and a repair company is not busy, there may very well be a reason. If a repairman comes out with the intent of pulling your set into the shop, you may have to wait longer than you expect anyway. Ask questions in advance. You are entitled to an estimate before a repair is completed. The estimate should include labor, house call fee, parts, and shipping charges, but it usually does not include sales tax. Be cautious of a repair company that advertises free estimates, unless they specifically state that if you decline the estimate, you will not pay anything. Statements like, "free estimates with a paid repair," are in my opinion highly misleading and are in actuality not free. Besides, no company can afford to give away their services unless they charge their paying customers extra. The invoice that is presented to you should include your name, address, make, model, and serial number of your TV, as well as a description of the work done, and the repair charges should be itemized, including sales tax. An invoice stating fixed TV and showing a lump charge is suspicious in that the company is most likely not a reputable business. If your set is taken to the shop, be sure to get a claim check containing your TV's make, model, serial number, and the servicer's contact information, as well as a written estimate. If a 100% deposit is required in advance, be very suspicious. What incentive does a repair company have to return your set if they have been paid in advance? Deposits typically are 50% of the anticipated repair cost and may additionally include the cost of a special ordered part. Rarely do different problems arise after a TV repair, but they can happen. Reputable shops will work with you to minimize further costs, thus making your initial repair a wise investment. This is different than if the same problem reoccurs during the guarantee period. A repair shop should be given the right to re-repair your set, and in doing so will distinguish themselves as a trustworthy, reputable business. A word on extended warranties. Often these are sold as, you can purchase a 2-year warranty for X amount of dollars. Be forewarned. The manufacturer warrants the product for a set amount of time. Your extended warranty covers the period after the manufacturer warranty stops. Thus, that 2-year extended warranty is in actuality typically a 1-year extended warranty. In the past few years, many extended warranty companies have greatly reduced the amount they pay to the repairman, and in many cases have dropped quality repair shops in favor of what we refer to as trunk slammers. That has led to a sharp decline in the amount of experienced repair providers. Thus, your extended warranty repair experience may very well not meet the manufacturer's warranty expectations.